Here we go. First, I want to line up what I can before I deal with this. Is a real booger, super strong, really tight, spring loaded. So, what do I want to do first? I probably want to do the put it on the top of the. I'll put it on the bottom of this pulley after I move the tensioner. This is the air conditioning pulley, but I'll put it on the. Well, I don't have it on. I don't have it underneath this top pulley here, so I better pull it down. I gotta go up on top. Just a minute. I'm in the grooves. I'm in the grooves. Grooves. Grooves are over here. Grooves. I'll make sure it's lined up on these grooves inside these shivs. I believe they're called shivs inside the pulley. I used to work on these commercial fishing boats. We had to stick all these 1.5 inch and 3/4 6-strand cables called our main wires that hook up to the doors that spread open these nets. We had to hook them up through these big wire blocks that had these huge shivs on them. We had to grease them all the time so they wouldn't blow up, because so much tension on those blocks, those shivs, because we're several fathoms deep in the water with our huge nets, and we hook up these big doors that basically they open vertically up and down and kind of horizontal a little bit. Once you stick, it depends on the speed of the boat, how fast you're trolling. But they open up based on how much cable's out they let out and how fast you're going, and it basically determines the opening and how big the opening of the net is. We also use these floats on this thing called the head rope that help keep the mouth of the net open vertically, and then you have this thing called a foot rope on the bottom of the net to pull the bottom down, so it makes a big mouth right there at the wings of the net, called the head rope, foot rope, and the wings. Opens up kind of like the mouth of one of those worms on the movie Dune. Remember the mouth? It's kind of got those pointed mouths that open up. It's kind of like a trawl net. So, shiv.